Guys, it's Scarlett at Build Across, and today I want to show you how I paint this happy birthday attachment. I'm going to go in first with the color Limeade, and I'm going to base coat my cupcake wrapper, and then I am using sea glass for my icing. Now I'm going in with the bottom of my sponge brush in the color Peacock to add polka dots to my cupcake wrapper. I'm using Lucky Lavender to accent all the little sprinkles that are on my icing, and I also used Amethyst for my sprinkles, and now I'm going back in with that peacock color, and I used these three colors for my candle as well, and then for my flame I used Barn Red and Terracotta. And now I'm going in with a number 4 round and the color Cotton, and I am filling in my lettering here. And now that everything's dry, I'm going in with my Sharpie brushstroke marker, and I'm outlining everything. And once I'm done outlining, I'll go back in with my number 4 round and that color Cotton to highlight everything. This just kind of completes my look, softens and brightens everything up. And that is it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and have a wonderful day.